kube nani nenye opportunity uthini vele umuntu sinemali ngingilishi igama lakhe ethola athi antona mani pheka mani angiphushile into ekanje angigayitlama ngkhoti mani ethola le angigayitlama angigayilings 20 crystal bags 20 tablets indanda ngikuphi i-drug uthi ngithengisele ayenzakala le ngiyahlanya ngeke uzungipha ama-drugs ukuthi ngithengisele ngwabhembe uyahlanya vele shopping ngizoba loyal for leso sikhathi leso yakhona la ngizoba loyal makakhona lana ngifithe ethola ye ngizosibhema istoko etho angavani ihlama la kasinemali ka avana plus nehlama nemali all in 5,000 engidlile imali including ama-drugs indaba yabiza ngani isigaganga umkhukhu omkhulu yabo uye umkhulu yamkhulu ya sengibhla imali angisijafela sengiba ngidlala la imali yami ngidlala la ntangu yokuyangifuna ake wangithola ngibhajisa bobani the same people laba vele engidle nalo imali bangisa to samara location ngashayiwa strong ngahlala maybe ma 3 days 4 days ngizingiphelile ithama lami andizingeni ngikwade yakafuni next ya ngibingile kuleso stage leso uthi abafuni foko endlini ya basafuni next kwathiwa ukuthi abafuni next manje ke na untanga lona manje sikafuna ama 15,000 untanga uthi ngiphuma la usiyangipholisa ende vele untanga vele yastana vele utume ngakho vele ende pheke na abanandaba zokupholisa izinjalo izikawo zokupholisa ka
Bafoza,
Ebo Putis,
how are you?
ngiphila njani?
Good to see you, man.
Ngijabula mina. Ngiyabonga ukuba la ungikayi ichance ukuthi ngibe la.
Yeah. Did you not get lost coming here?
Bek. Vele ne, yabo ni Hillbrook ngiqala ukufika eHillbrook fan da. It was my first time MTN ranking. Ngicaba ne MTN ngicaba ngase khona iship la bathi ngisipapasi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Etuze nase mozu ngase etuze khona dealership le ama Lamborghini. Porsche ngicaba from leyo side le maka le MTN rank lena ngicafi vandag ngicaba ukuyicaba vandag ngiyabona
ya ungatshela abantu ukuthi shoota hill bro mala yikho ngiyadlala shoota hill bro uthathi
sintweni la yeah so fika hayi khuleka
yeah right buff
ngiyaphila man.
Yeah, no, good to see you, man.
Hayi
Yeah. I'm looking at your hands ngiyabona ukuthi ndoda ulimele.
Yeah.
Ulimele too much, eh?
Thanda izinto mpinjana.
But we're gonna get to that. Please tell me about yourself. Who are you? Where are you from?
Ngilifa ngikhwasho. Ngiphuma eNadaili. Originally from Tzaneen. Tzaneen, Limpopo. Manje Tzaneen, Shioko village.
Okay.
Yeah.
Shioko.
Yeah, Shioko village.
Oh.
Passing Mchachi Sloof. Mchachi Sloof kwa mito. Yeah. Baba mumshangani babami. Mama mumzulu wasebala deep kloof busisiwe nake ngamele nisa isimo sakhe sakubo yeah bese ke mina ke na ku family yami ngumntana ngi last born ubaba mama uthi manje baba mami thu mama already mama mphana abantwana abayithuba bafana which is uClassy noThulana bese nofika ubaba mami ke na baba na 3 which is uMpinga Patricia Nkwashu noPojo Jeza ukuthi yangikhwashu bese kuza mina ke umagcina ke bathi ulifa yeah
yashikota kubulabula sichangana
nimchangani mekabhuti
awe manje loko re December so tafamba yakha
namuka vele namuka
mugare
after 16
okay
yeah
yadlala khisimusi khona le
ndabenda kuya January
emakaya
yeah ile kaya phela June phela ite phela ite kuyita tira endlabana abo endla mali ukuyeta ibuyela kaya la ile kaya la no ile June la ile June
yeah can you please move it for the cameras ne yeah so you're saying that you came to Joburg to make babies and to work as well
and make money and then go back home yeah
why don't you build a home here
obvious kwamele ungidile ayijozi maka originally ekhaya kule noma ngifa yeah ngingcwebela le eLimpopo ngiyongcwebela lana ngingcwebela le ke Shoko village ngikusekhaya la
yeah
ngisejozi la
Yeah, I love the fact that you know that you came to Joburg to do work, and then this is not where you want to stay in full time forever. You know that probably at some point you're gonna have to go back home.
Yeah, obvious ngoba bheka ifamily yakithi ne gcwele amantombazana. Yeah, nakithi futhi amantombazana. So ke nabafana abayi-2, so only 2 boys. Yimi nomntanami uNtsakiso Enrique Gregory sasebenzisa nami kamama yakhe. Yeah, until one thing is be right. Yeah, yithi kuphela. And for mina uthi ngibe khona emhlabeni. Ugogo wami watshela umama wami uthi hey wena mfazi ufuna kumfana la eJartin. Yabona ugcwele amantombazana. Ilapho kona sokuza mina khona. Bathi ugogo wami sisimgogo wami akafuni simize ngogogo. Ufuna simize ngosisemluba. Ethole. Hayi feel ke lapho ke kaba mina kaba nami khona. And the most thing ngizobathi ne umuntu sifazana umama una 40 awukhona ukuba awukhona ukuzaka kuba ana ingazi akhona ukuba awukhona ukuyenza kuba nabantwana khona mina ke umama ngithola na 41 years.
Yo. Wow.
Ana 41 years nge-12 zaka March 1998.
Wow.
Yeah.
Interesting. Did you grow up in Giyani or Joburg?
Okay, phela safika lapho ke.
Okay.
Safika lapho. Ngizalwe eNtelelimet, Lemet Private Hospital. Baba ngibhoki iphoyisa. La 19 ekudala manje ukhulele khona eForcing from basaqoka Brown. Yeah. Faqoka Brown afika eJozi, wahlala yini? Epetal yini? Epetal mina ayile manini. Hammanskrali ya, eqale from Hammanskrali.
Oh.
Yeah, training yakhona bese after lapho khona iminda yamaphoyisa la eAlexandra ibiza ngani? Barracks. Barracks. Yeah, those lezi ngikhathi lezo yabathi akundawo barracks. Bahlala la. Bese ngihamba isikhathi angazi bahlangana nomama mami labahlangana khona yena ke. Yeah, mama mina phela sebenza in SAN, okay, South African Blood Services.
Oh.
Yeah, phela sibana la mama. Yabo bama iphoyisa. Yena ukhula kwami vele yabona ngikhula vele hayi ukuthi ngikhule ngihlupheka ngisogola. Hayi ukuthi ngiphume endlaleni le rich mara ngikhule ya. Bekuthiwa lami ibukuspanela government. Mama migena futhi ngazi manje ukuthi South African Blood Services le company engase Florida. It's a private company. Actually it's not under government. Yeah. So kana ngithi hayi ngikhule ngisogola. Yini la ngilide ngikhule ya. Angizange la ngikhumbula ngilala ngendlala. Yeah. Fede ya ngithi bengithola yonke into engiyifuna mara ya. Sure bengasokoli. So ke nakaba ya ngikhule grand vele ejol. Thipho lami nambe ngifuna ukuba iphoyisa ngithi nje baba ayishap ngiyakhula thile boma grade 5 4 lapho ke enhleke sithi ya grade 3 singaqala ukubona ke manje yabo. Lapho na sengithi khona umunye umfana waseKaslami khotbanyana so yabo. The money should manje ne ngikhula vele ngithanda izinto mina nje ngithanda izinto. So let's just athi bengigqoka lethola lelingi. Ngiyakthanda ukugqoka ngakhona yabona. I feel sharp wena. Lapho kana sengigqoka ikhavela khona. The time it was still 995 rand. I feel kana sibe bengibukela kuye nje bengishaya ngaphakathi. Ngiyangikhule grand. Then grade 3 4 5 5. Inkathi kena era yamabhutsho hayi kinijini yabona
ama cruise bus.
Thank you. Yeah, boma it was 2000 and somewhere after 2008 9 before yeah mapha World Cup ethwele yaphi ya ngisengigijima ke lapho ke ethwela ngisengicala ukubona grade 4 5 kena ngaqala ukubhema insango ngaqala ukushaya yabo ngimthatha voucher eJartin thamela mbukiliza ngithi apha amabhodlela umuntu amabhodlela ethola elinga amabhodlela boma Glenfiddich Johnny Walker Black ngale zingadli lezishwa ziya ama 2000 ethola elinga yeah Jack Daniel yabona ama reserve ethola elinga I feel ya kena futhi kena bekenzani brand ukuthi alithenga ibhodlela alithele kule ama glass wakho ethela alibeke weekend ethola ipholela kanti umlifeka sakayi bona ababoni bona ukuthi hayi mina kubo today ngisisi innocent blind ngenza next mina mpinchami ayikho into yangi innocent intwana encane ethola iding kanti hayi ntona lena noma nje siyibona izinto siyajola manje ethola Macala diploma now, they are 2 years older than me. And they are 2 grades higher than me. That's what I think. Obviously, ngibona diploma now plus njengoba ngithi uthemba naye diploma lo ngithi ngibona kuyizinto. Yabo, Fede yena yabona umthemba nina. Hayi, ukwethu nakimi Fede ya maka izinto nabhekazenza ithwele beka diploma now ethwele I think. Yeah, maka bukimi intwana kubonke la bantu diploma now bukimi ya the youngest. Ha sharp ke no vese diploma now ngiyabona musika hey yenza so. Yeah, nami vele nami ngiyenza nami vele ethwele I think. Yeah, plus ke nazo lezo sikhathi izinto intoni incane ke nawo uzabe uchike nathi athi ampenteni lami wena wena ngathi ngiyashisa leso sikhathi leso ke ngishama eskeli mohoko yangi imfethi yangi ngileyo ka sharp yamshaya ngitshontsha ukuthi nama chance nazo futhi lezo ukusisikhathi ngibona manje ukuthi nazo bese kusebenzisa nazo lezo etshola ziyacaba ukuthi ayimina nami lifeke kini kunamabhodlela kini ngayikhuleka ntwana yeah khuleka ntwana ngashaya ibhodlela khuleka and vele bekwahle batafule nje yeah amaningi nje etshola iding hayi vele ngiyashaya mangishaya kanjalo ngibacabangele mina ngithi ngibazocabangela ikhazi kweni ikhazi nyambi nofina usivakashele etshola ubuyazocabangela yona bayicaba vele istudio etshola hayi mina get away with it I sharp which is grade 6 7 yeah grade 6 7 etshola iding 6 yeah 5 6 7 grade 7 ke manje yeah
ngicela ukuthi ungabuyeli emuva
oh sorry mina manje wona ngibuyisa kude manje ethi yeah
ethibeke mic kahle lapha yeah
in my time yayona lapho ke na yayile iqale khona
angifuni ukuthi uwe bafo awana baba
no bani
ngisho baba wakho still a cop
safika da
oh okay is he still a cop though
yeah
because now he's gonna come here and investigate as ukuthi yeah
pension actually
my boy fell so bedlela now you know yeah mara ngicela ukuthi ungawo
okay right yeah grade 7 grade 7 which is Khotani era 20s after World Cup 2011 12 lapho yakhumbula izize iKhotani lezavela kuyavela ku cutting edge yabona da le holiday lesibukela cutting edge yeah it changed everything
mongasusa your thing okay
yeah change everything ke lapho wena ngathi impilo yami be left yeah lapho wena obviously nafuna ukuboniwa vele sanza kubukwa ngithi
so ufike early la ufike
angifike early la angifike early angiyakutshela diploma wena izokhwethi ka
yeah bo diploma lama abomaqala
yeah we abomaqala bakhwethi nakimi etshola iding so bona yonke into bayazi the 2 years ahead of me etshola iding ngifase primary ngithe grade 7 bona saba ku grade 9 high school already yeah high school mongama leading Valentine's page nani ngivana ama chance ngiyafika la igela nje kwangathi hayi I'm one of virtual leading yeah ngilova primary ngibe high school ngijiva da and until secondary school eTech yabo ayiyabona vele zakhipha la I vele I sharp hayi mangithi ke na 2 years later yeah mangi grade 7 ngithi mangi grade 8 singeTech ke until secondary angithola ama chance wami vele ngiyabona ukuthi okay high school different scenario abochiri nani yabo plus ngisikhothani ke lapho ke ngamathemeje ke ngifuna ukuboniwa ngithi ngithi isikhathi zakhipha vele actually yeah ay lezi manje lezi vele bo pocket bami lezi manje sebayangikhenya manje yeah bangenzela bampompela starter manje yabo ngithi awu4 guy ngithola isinye squad ngesibhemi insango senza ama house party la sokuvela umngane wami uma fashion makavela khona sesivuma qala igroup esithi besibiza ngama Rosetta yeah lapho wena sikhothani umuntu ukhuluma ngathi senza ama house parties yabuya mfithe etshoya yiding yeah every nje before ikolo zovala nje bespoke iquantum yeah khona le ndawo lena besadumile dayidid babiza Val Beach Party
okay
yakhumbula benzakala every spring first week nje of September nje it was Val Beach Party besihamba lapho June 16
nikazata ama 200
wena bochiri maybe siyabe sina match it depend ngosakuphi besikiba umizi bomama ama 5 clipper 7 clipper etshoya
nemali
ngiyakutshela mfethu
phela thina besikipha ama 250 200
angapho wazi phela nabo mtracing lezi ama taxi lezi angiziyazi ukuthi lezi nto lezi ikhotshana sebayashana wethoya yiding yeah nazi yasithi hayi vele somgqwalisa lona etshoya yiding ekonza misilimisa lilayishile sithi mtracing wenza malini athi ngenza 1000 rand ngitokike sitokike nawe hlisela abantu bakho anehlini nabo gogo of tech yeah nayi babe behla bogogo vele etshoya yiding yabona manje sesuphi manje siyadelela ke manje etshoya yiding yeah hayi lapho ngilesizibuya khona sengiyazi sengicala ukheavy sex yonke into actually yonke into ngifast sikena nasendlini sengiyahlupha sikubona kuyathwinya no ngisalala endlini kakhulu singiyabashashana ukuthi phela ngambe lama trip la ngiyabashasha endlini ukuthi ngiyakuphi kubebi ngiyakumalume ethi Plufu oh makuba neskeleme ngilaka bompintshama kade is always a skeleme ethola lighting kizi khona iskeleme endlini avele bayabona sidinga ukuthi sizokuprinta nje ama lighting sithi ashaya trip yade bese nama trip ke ikela ke sikela sithi yashaya ama trip ke nawo molida ama phela ifangi phela mama phela hayi ngizofela ndi important hayi kanti kusekhandiwe lighting ikhopiwe yonke into nestem sasesikela yonke into ethola lighting hawo molidi pa sharp grade 8 ke long story short ke na come December lenkadlezi report time fail and bebe bangikhuza ukuthi hey wena uzofaila wena ikela lempilo yakho le sakupayisa lempilo le hayi ngizwa mina ngiyabashasha ngisibangijambile ukuthi manje sengiyachange manje yabona sengiluza weight yabona manje umlomo entiyazi ukabona ngapha lani sitshela ukuthi abantu ababone estradini yeah abantu babhekile benza ngathi ababhekanga abantu babhekile abangithi abhekani lo ethola sharp angifeel mangifela kanje ngithi afok ngiyasiyeka isikela manje yabona manje yeah come the following time lami ithi mfethu asambe isikela wena ngithi angiyasiyeka ngilapho alingivuse ngamasimo I feel sharp ngihambe ngigeze sihambe sesikela ethola masifika esikela only to find out yabona manje masifika esikela ithama lami lo ringa nomeneri wami ethola kanti only yazi yenza ithama lami ireport yami ithi fail ireport yami ibhalwe fail yabo bale feel kanjalo shaba sibuyele class sibuyele vele manje grade 8 angithi sizefulingisa ugrade 9 grade 9 yeah sibuyela to our old class lapho bazothumela kumanye class uthi amanye ethola leading laba abaphasile hamna ngimangala mina mfethu sengiyabiziwe ngoba laba abaphasile mina nikathi ngifailile leso sikhathi leso I feel ngithule shit and nakhona abantu abacavayo vele class uthi wena mlife ufailile wena yabo I feel sharp
Bafo usho ukuthi maybe ubaba wakho ukhuluma neprincipal.
Ethola leading. Sharp yabo. Hayi ulti ilanga liva ilanga ethola leading. After school ngihambe komunye kwaMagda ngithi mina kwenzakalani mina. Athi mina mfethu emliferbheka mfethu. Thama lakho mfethu hayi ngimpa elikhulu. Ngithi ayifile ke ethola. Makathi makathula ngawakhuleka. Sharp asengijabulile nami vele angifuni ukusho ukuthi ayengifeyilile ngingibhayise vele yabona bazongibusele emuva ethola. Sharp sengu-grade 9 vele. For mina ukuthi ngikhule. Ngilene ukuthi la sengenza amasimba. Bangimokolele isithemba. Mangiphaphame. Yabo. Hayi ngiyaqhubeka ngiba west.
Yeah, when you're a troublemaker.
Yeah. Ngiba west kanjalo sharp ke hayi. Ngifeyile vele no. Ngifeyile kanje thema lami jawu yanya futhi sekwena. Yabuyela yahlanya wena. Hayi feel ngibuyele. Mangibuyela kanjalo. Mangifika eclassini yabona ngangiphoze eclassini. Yeah. Laba balasiya ngithi abancane nakima ngithi. Yeah ngiromudi bangithanda umuntu angazi esikela ethola ngiyangidumile. Ethola. And labo teacher laba angibasabi angidingi bajoyele bekunabo from last year. Semanje sengikhondeme iclass mina phela. Phela ngibona bebasawu teacher mina ngibasabi labo teacher mina. Yabona ngingena late ngingena eclass nginuka insango. Yeah ethola. Yeah ngiloyo ethola le. Asidingi ngiyabona ukuthi awon fuck man. Sengigeza nentwana yempintshami, ntwana ka fishing. Ngithi yeah. I want to afoka. Manje ngene nokubhanka kana manje yena sengivele yeah, sengijwayela esikole ngimaqhuzu phela engqondweni yami phela afoka hayi ke nasi ngiyabhanka isikela ngiyabhanka. Akabanela ngiliwani kena. Ngathi angiyasikapha isikela. Ngiyakusini. One Monday. Thama mina ngivuze ifito yesikela. Ngithi ngiyaseka isikolo man fuck. Jola. I feel ngisigapha isikela. First 3 months 4 months kube mnandi. Yeah, angayifeel leading ngithi. Yeah, amaka kuyafika ke ngengayifika ke manje. Yeah, uthi noma sengibuyenzana sengifuna ukubuyela esikolweni manje. Yeah, angithi manje ayisangeni manje imali yokukheka manje. Nomphando phela manje uyathola ile. Ngiyabona mase ngiyabhayiseka ke manje. Hayi fuck. Enhle thama la mafuna uzwa next ke selikwatile phela ngithi ngisigabhile isikele. Ngidisappointile khata ngawo. Sharp hayi. Ngithi sengidisappoint ifamily ethola ile. Mangiphapha mase ngibapha ngithi ngifuna ukubuyela esikele thama lami ngingasibhayi. Ngitshanya wena. Ngitshelile wena uthi hey hambe esikele ngikwisile esikele wenza sakhulula isikele. Sofuna ukubuyela manje uyahlanya wena. I feel hey. Anami ngiqhubeka ngibeka ngo10 vele ethola ile. Ngena manje ngoba vele ke sengisekasi. Abanye babhuku bami baqedile ngiyigo ngesikolo. Siba kuma university. Thina sekasi nangisekasi mina. Yathola sikasi sengolengenzeni ngiplume nabo bani nalezi ezisekasi sizakisi yeah ithola lethi sengithola abanye abomaqala ke manje angithi abantu bayaspana abama ngithi manje abanye bayaspana abanye ya mase sitshintshile impilo phela angisakhilizi phela sekuselokushini ngingiphile ngiwani bayithola sengiplume lezi sekasi kanicela dom eshape asibemizolo yathola yading uya thola yading uvasipasheka sonke sambi crap yadi nani yathola uva nje into bathi hayi moyo nabona mohlele ekhaya umntana ohlele ekhaya ungenzi next anything is possible evara useduze lokubhema ama drugs uduze nayo yonke into ngoba bheka inkazi uzobhayela ubani inkazi ekseni izolo ubhayela ubani
awungitshele la awufikanga kunyawupe
hayi yangihlula first day ngathi no ngathola ngileli phansi so abanikazi begame lezi zama ungifaka lezi ziyenzani samile zona ngathi no le inyawupe 99 liyanuka nokunuka ngathi I fork ngizangayithanda
okay
ngizangayithanda singiploma naziphi lezi sikasi zamama ngibuye nadile kaslama khalati yeah kaslama khalati ke nabayibiza athi welcome to Enadile sex drugs and alcohol sicala kana siqala ngibona ngamajensi uthi khona inteka khona idrakile kanje khona ikhethi babiza intasha hayi vele ngifuna ukuboniwa vele angithi ngifuna ukufita in yathola ding sharp endlini abakaboni ukuthi hayi ngiyabhema yathola yeah ngisasikhona ebu innocent nyana lo bayithola maka ya I feel hey kambe isikhathi vele ngisay maintain ngisasaqala ngisay maintain vele yeah plus ngapha yabona ngivele ngifuna ukuboniwa ngithi vele abantu hayi vele sharp akhona lana mfitha ngithola khona kena ya endlini sebajampile endlu uthi hayi intwana lesi yaphema intwana le yebhema ama drugs intwana le ngibabona ngani abangani bangena bayaphuma plus nami singiyachinja nami angisasithandi ngiyangcola iroom lami ya ngisasana ndaba ngisasincanywa ngenye indlela yethola leading ya ngena ngiyaphuma ngifuna ngiphuma nezigwidi yethola leading ngihambi scrap yard
yebo wenzani scrap yard awuyenzani
sokalisa
yini
scrap
usithatha
khona ubhuku wami lona ke ngicela ukubhema naye ke nabona iCrystal Meth ke angimathi sengidlulile kuntashi manje ngithi yeah sengiyabona sengidlulile kuntashi songiCrystal Meth yabo ubhuku wami lona ngibloma naye lona uMaxwell Scott mayisol rest in peace ubabakhe bakabhayisa izolo like izolo bese illegal like that bakabhayisa izolo kanjalo kwenzakaleni yamaka aboshwe umScott athola istraff kusale bani eJardini kusale uMaxwell
awungitshele la lezi zinto lezi the things that niyozigalisa nisitholaphi
eJardini ngabo Max baba uScott shuthi manje ne kunesikhathi sibhala lapha eJardini la kunemoto zakudala angizokubhayisa izolo ithamana umfana lona yeah bakanenyuke ethola le yeah
bazi ngapha imoto
bayalungisa enza yonke into ngapha i26 ngapha yabo bhayisa insango ubhaye imoto uyathengisa umakhenika ngapha
so nina nifika lapha nikhipha ama control arm
sakalisa yonke into zonke iscrap
niyatshontsha kahle
asitshontsha kanje ngoba satha ke komskoda ngithi ube ngisoselo mamakhe uyaspana umamakhe ethi spana Pick n Pay Godman like elsele yaldos ethola ethama lifahlekile ethola so basically ngithi hayi fork hayi vele achi every day
niyakalisa so that
sibheme
nithenga insango
hayi insango sengidlulise ngigraduate sengiphe iCrystal ke lapho ke
nithenga iCrystal benithenga ngemali
futhi 50 rand dina manje 50 rand
menikalisa izinto menithola malini escrap yard
boma 150 to 3 pound phela bisama nithi ecinile mfethu phela ngabo ngingudla yonke into iscrap sibhaya wiring copper yonke into mfethu actually every day akuya manje ngabo ngithi wena Max ngibamezeni studio na Max uyatshontsha yabona hayi wena ngishayisa ngabanhlekwene ya hey plus ngapha uyangishontshela nami ngiyamgapha uMaxwell sengithola ukuthi isinye scheme ke manje endlini sengivakama endlini already athola ilingi ya vele thama lami ke nasekwele ukujapshini ya mayisekwele relationship la sele basangibhekile njengaqala inyuka ngapha ngiyajola ngapha hayi kube nani nenye opportunity vele umuntu sinemali ngingilishi igama lakhe athola athi antona yamanipeka manje angiphushele into ekanje yathi plus wena ngiyakuncanya wena ngiyakubona hayi wena uskuni athola ilingi yama akayikhuleka hayi sharp angikayitlang ukuthi manje etholele angikayitla links 20 crystal bags 20 tablets indanda.
Okay.
Yeah.
Isinemane.
Isinemane.
So isinemane ithengisa i-drug lord kahle.
I-drug. Umkhulu dumile.
Yebo.
Yeah. Hayi sharp angayi banal clam. Yeah. Awona la yayicale khona inkinga ke.
So
yayicale khona.
So isinemane ukunikeza amabheke we20.
Yeah.
Crystal.
Crystal.
How big are they?
Iskalini ithi 1.3, 1.4, 1.5 grams iskalini.
So uthenga kuye or uyakunikeza?
Uyanginika mina sengithengiselela ngibambeleni iposi. Ngisigijimi sakhe mina. Yayithola. Ngisigijimi sakhe vele angimpushele vele ethola vele.
So ngifuna ukuyazi in detail ukuthi makunikeza i20 bags athi uzothengisa ngemalini?
Thengisa nga50 rand.
50
bag. Indanda lesi ibag bese 50 rand. 50 rand ibag. Indanda twas. Ayidura leso sikhathi. Yo yona manje usizwe lifa kanje sizwe. Yeah, edibe seseba 20 rand 22 rand plus gets.
Okay.
Yeah, indanda afe tablet.
Okay.
Yeah, we see the links. Feel again a sharp full it was 40 rand full. A full tablet. Yayicava indanda.
No, ngicava.
Uyidanga Google
ngizoyicheck.
Yeah.
Ngizoyicheck.
Yeah, ipilisi egcwele around. Lamba nge-double star. Une boss. Namagama ethola. Unemabhenzi ethola nginelime. Yeah. Une aromat. Yeah, ethola imke ethola lady.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bawumbuza yena umbuzo ukuthi uzithola phi lezi ndawo akutsheli next.
Hayi, inje kimi le. Lo muntu lona une plus. Une plus. Ethola. Unomphiki lo muntu lo. Isigijimi yawo makwiro amampela mfethu ethola leading. Part of a gang enkulu ethola leading. Yeah. Feel sharp. Ayi umgijimele vele ethola vele trust vele bakhona ethola leading. Ayi uba mfethu ngeke mfethu yazi wathi ngeke mfethu uphe iphara ngeke uphe i-drug uthi ngithengisele. Ayenzakala leading ngiyahlanya ngeke uzungipha ama drugs ukuthi ngithengisele ngwabhema uyahlanya. Fele sharp ngizoba loyal for leso sikhathi leso yakhona la ngizoba loyal makakhona lana mfethu ethola ye ngizosibhema isitoko ngisibhema kanjalo isitoko soyenza sodonsa emalini yakho emalini ngeke ngisibhemile ngadonsa va emholweni wami hayi fele sharp akanankinga ke hayi fele kuba nesikhathi ke na kujela singidake uyabona impambuso ngezinja zikempela phela kunama drag queen phela yingaphandle yeah wakhona amabhoza phela etshela ile
ama drag queen
yeah yakuyayifebe obosobiza bathi ngeAfrikaans is jalapeno picture.
Heba.
Yeah, jalapeno picture. Yeah. Chief Medis. Yeah. Makhona amabhoza etshwayele kuneliquins akhona yatshela ile.
Kanjani la?
Yeah.
Kanjani?
Bahle bayongiya etshwayele ile.
Baba ngemoto.
Bakhona abamba ngemoto bakhona laba bayatshwayele ile ngivele bicycle etshwayele ile yeah.
Hayi bafanga understand.
Ngiyakutshela.
Cabanga ukuthi no the drug community it's men.
Ungimpambosi wena.
Ayathengisa futhi.
Mfethu, ngikuthengisa wathengisa cheap mana kumakhosha aba cheap mana ngibatshela njalo cheap bitch yela.
Bafuthi.
Ngiyakutshela, khona weshere wena.
Awungitshele la kucubeka ba.
Khona wasamaje sikuphela wena. Khona weshere, futhi wecheke nabana amachere. Hayi benzela amasimba. Yazi ngijabula kanjani mangibona mangizwa uchire athi she's a recovering drug addict. Ngijabula blind. Phela weshere baba robwayo phela. Baropwa kundlu thina thina amajita suspina thina hayi. Ayitshwa leading. Amajensa yaropiwa amawechike bayaropiwa amashabo strong. Yeah. Ibenzela amasimba. Benzela amasimba. Fakta baba fakta ukuthi feli amajensi ayasikhawathi amakayi. Awechike hayi. Ngijabula blind ngithi okay la. Ngiyajabula ngibona ngoba indlela phela into efanele bayibiza ini isifo. Ngeke uvele uyeke so. Bakhona abanye abathi bayayeka abanye. Maka hayi without rehab ni license without rehab. Bakhona abayituka abayishaya ethola maka lo njalo the ticking time bomb. Ngiyathola. So vele sometimes ngathi rehab yaspan. Ngoba wenzani kunama psychologists, nama drug counselor. Ethola abantu abakhuluma nawe uthi yangihleke yacalephi into abayibiza ini step work. 12 steps of recovery. Ngihamba right uthola iNA Narcotics Anonymous. which is hamela nabo alcoholics anonymous ayithola yamasema meeting since NNAA bese nithola i biblical ini 12 steps biblical le biblical lena imatlek yona le shuba ile guidance 12 steps of recovery yayicaba incwadi le green and gold book lapho ke yenza ukuthi uqalele phansi bathini you cleaning house ukuthi enhle iqale benkinga yena ukuthi uzubhema ama drugs ayithola le maka besides that ayithola yo sinema nangigayile iklama ayithola sinema mangigayile iklama hayi angagcina mfethu hayi obviously kambe ngigama chance ngiyamflopa khona lana ke ngingashaya iklama lonke
angitshela sibuye nyana kancane isinema ni South African or maybe
South African
umZulu
Irish la ngiphuma khona ngiyabona enedila ngithi angizicela abantu abanjani angijaqaba yeah dumile ngishekile yakayiclama pa isithengisi and ishop yakhe ke na yagijima once wathi ubhayisela untanga mfethu izogijima umuntu uzoza kuzoyishuna inyu
angitshela la first time when he gave you a couple of bags of drugs, did you sell all of them, or maybe the first time when he gave you?
Yazi ngibamba kanjani insosile lokuyihleba ngakhona yazi ihleva ke le ihleva ngibamba so inga 20 crystal jalapeno 20 amapilisi yabo shapu ngapush very first batch ina profit vele ngokumilipha amajensi abanye baza ngemashoda ukuthi bazi ukuthi bathengisa ngithi lapho wena ngenza boma maybe boma 3200 lapho somewhere lapho yazi mangimile ngicashin ezozithi nithi ayithathe imali yakho ngithi engiyahlanga ngijanye phakamise ke ngithi amabhoza wethu akuthi sinamahomoji la snacks angithi ngithatha ngibhoza yami yabona lapho ke na yamgijimela laba ngigalelo leyo mali yayibisela ushelinye inhlama futhi zaba sengamgijimela ke lapho 20 limit endlini baze bangiqoshe endlini cabanga nethama lami liwe obvious phela ngiyenzani sengibuka ngethama lami emphakathini thama lami umuntu ohlonipheke blind hloniphekile thama lami ngoledi lami yathola lalini sengiba disappoint ngisalala endlini yathola lalini 4 guy ngijima impilo iyayiqhubeka impilo one day ngiyoba ngithi hayi ipambusi lesi yathola ngavana ihlama la kaSinemani ka ngavana plus netlama nemali all in 5000 engidlile imali including ama drugs all in all lapho sengenzani sengiphuma nabanye bomaqala ngisalala endlini sengihlalele li2 khona indaba yabiza ngani isigaganka umkhukhu omkhulu yabo umkhulu yamkhulu sengiphuma la ngisijafela sengiba ngidlala la imali yami ngidlala la ntangu yokuyangifuna ke wangithola ngibhajisa bobani the same people laba vele engidle nabo imali nganyamalala bangithola vele khona kula boys vele khona bangisa to samara location ngashayiwa strong ngahlala maybe ma 3 days 4 days ngiphelile ithama lami andizingeni ngikwade yafuni next ngibingile kuleso stage leso ukuthi yabafuni foko endlini basafuni next kwathiwa ukuthi abafuni next phela sistola umpingi first born ngaba bami yabona lo yake nifana nami ke lo nami ngifanayo angiyakutshela phela ngikhuliseni family yabuchira amakhotha nami la yitu bahlala deep proof bangikhulile ebuchirini bathi noma bangishaya estradini ngiyovutha bomolido ngama sister wami ethola iding sharp ke nayi khona sengifonele ngithi impinga ngicela ungincede ngisemasimbi ngenze sona yazi wenzani stram oba stand sakhe kuneyitende ngasini ina daily ekokotela Lake View ukazi uzwele ngaleyo ndawo lezo
ngiyayibona
angithi malema wathi Graveland so ngistram lapha stand la so ethola ngowakha mkhukhu ethola iding manje ke na untanga lona manje sikafuna ama 15000 untanga ngithi ngiphuma la siyangipholisa ende vele untanga vele yastana vele udume ngakho vele kusumntana omncane vele into labayikhuluma ukuthi ama drug dealer nini labantu abasesila ukudla kwabo le nto
udle malini udle 5000
ngafile 5000 Ngilimele 5 hour le.
Yama drugs.
Yeah.
Ithi ngibona lapha. Baba kushaya.
Ukuzivikela. So.
Baba kushaya ngani?
Khona induku le yamasuthu le manje asingathi ke boma shambok maka irabi iteki so.
Yes.
Yeah.
Baba ngani?
Awunabo phuru bakhe. Abo phuru ma 3-4 nyane thola riding.
Amakhaladi.
Yeah.
Yes. Baphethe ibam.
Mfethu izinja sekimi mfethu. Izinja sekimi ka. Otherwise sicela mina lazama ngokuhlangana i10,000. Akwazi ukuwashasha ukuthi hayi ke nayi10. Wathi sitende sakho siswami. Which is manje sikamela buye kuphi endlini. Sengibuyele endlini naye manje. Yabo ngilimele ngimabokoboko.
So but
ngimabokoboko.
They found you bakuyisa somewhere.
Yeah, endaweni ethi samilini location.
Bakushayela khona.
Yeah. Ngapha bangibhemisa ke la gcwala manje ngibhemisa ngenkayi.
Hayi ndoda.
Adlala izinja lezinto zanhliziyo izinto lezi wena.
Hayi man bafo.
Ngaba ngifila ngiyabhembhema indanda ngaba ngibhemisa iCrystal. Yeah. Indana wow. La ngingilekisa kwani ngishaya kanje yabona ya. La ngileza khona nginokuzwa ngebhajo kudu kudu. Uyabona.
So bafo baya kidnap labantu la.
Yeah, bafuna imali yabo.
But at the same time
bangishaya ukuthi ngaphinde ukuthi nabanye bazi nabanye
bakubhemisa ama drugs
yeah.
futhi usho ukuthi so that you can be weak.
Yeah.
Ungasabi.
Yeah. Doyisenga khona izinja lezi. Doyisenga khona izinja lezi. Ahanikazi bendawo. So manje ngifika endlini ke manje ngilimele. Angikho ngibavulela ikhisi labantu la.
Asibuyele futhi lapha. So bayakushaya bathini fonela anyone that
eJardini. Angibacaba bekuthe imlifeke yabona kubo yathiwa riding.
Oh bayacaba ukuthi ithama lakho iphoyisa.
Iphoyisa enebheka ngiphuma endaweni ngiphuma Grand yathiwa riding bayacaba. Enebheke na. Abanandaba. Zokupholisa izinja lezi ka. Zokupholisa ka. Zokupholisa nene. Ivara konke lezi ivara ka. Nongakushasha inivara. Ivara ka.
Abasabi ukuthi maybe ithama lakho iphoyisa maybe uzotshala abantu on the ground ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Eka abantu abanikazi bendawo ka ivara lento lena ka. Yena lo muntu okhona mfethu ne ngiyamthengisela nemaka akahlali gaslama akahlali nethi. Nabantu abamgijimela angakusingiphelele ngomgijimela akahlali nethi. Noma ungayi police station kuyafana. Iphethe yonke nethi ipolice station so yonke. Kuyafana.
Hayi bafo. Hayi.
Noma ngene ku internet umbheke ya search hayi noma I'm sure yafuniwe. Yathola ngisokuthi police station inzani. Police family yakho wena ngilimele.
So ngiyabona bakulimezela. Yes.
Everything ngcono mfethu ngizifaka fast travel itsotsilisi.
Yes. Nala ngibona nala. Ithi ngibona.
Ngithola lana ke nasina that bed ethola la thing. So that bed. Maka now.
And then nala.
Lana ke nabona la. Ila sengicela khona ngithi angeke. Angeke ibhlungu lento la ngeke. Ngiyathola.
Hey bafo.
Ususawena ke police station njani ngayifaka entweni. And after that when ngakhawatheka ngisangaba the same after ke ngiyacabela lapha ngathochariwa lapho. Ngibe ngiyakhala hayi. Bengithi ngiyabhoda la. Ngathochariwa ngatholakala sengitholakala after lapho ne. Ngisengithola sesibhedlela samahlanya. Khona le hot lena bathi zebra hot. Ebhara. Ngiyathola. Mangabe vele ethola yini? Ungashaya yakho info background yakho background information. Ngiyathola. Yeah. Lapho na sengizani kana lapho kana semasathatheni bathini I'm a psych patient. Endlini phela ngizangafana phela after lapho phela. Yabo. Wonke umuntu uyastart uthulifeka kaba mfethu yaduma lento lena ka ukuthi imlifeke wamenze so ethwelling yabo after lapho ngizange ngikhawathi plan lapho nginomntwana ngapho ngokukhulu ngikhohliwe lapho ngithi kuba nomntwana couple of months 6-7 months noma umntwana sekangishilo noma umntwana ngapha ethwelling yanyiwa ka ngihlanganela ka selapho yena ke ngitafoka nempilo ke naye lapho ke ngeke moment lana ngifuna usibhodisa khona nganto lezi abebangenza zona lapha
asibuyele emuva kancane futhi so usisi wakhe had to sell stand sakhe for probably 10-15,000 ne
bebafuna 15
wena udle 5,000 bona manje bafuna 15,000
sinengonyane obviously phela fele ke na sharp ke nesiphelisa samahlanya zebra word bayibiza ngezebra word
ngifuna ukwazi kahle ukuthi bayibhadala kanjani. Did they drop it somewhere 15,000 or maybe bayithumele nge-app?
Ngile lapho kusadumile ama-app into zamanje zama-app bisingale charges no into zama-app zamanje bunga okay file bakhona amakama nama ebhaduma manje man natural no zayithi kusadume number ecave number money market Shoprite
ngicave ngiyayibona
yeah kusadume
I thought maybe it's M-Pesa.
Hayi M-Pesa is after yokuqala money market Shoprite these are after yeah befaka la isicela abangikhindisa abafiki
yes ebafo
yeah after lapho hayi life has been a roller coaster kuyaso ngeke ayithuye ama rehab life has been a roller coaster sure
axolisa bafo
mfethu sengipholile ka manje sengipholile no
mawubheka emuva ubheka impilo yakho from high school
yeah
sometimes unokucabanga ukuthi maybe I could have chosen a different path
yeah kube ngasiqeda isikele kube ngizangaba isikhothana wena edict ngingena ke bona cutting edge yeah kube ngizange kube yeah didi yemoshile and ukuthi ngidonga ngekho donga ngikwazi ukufuna ngikwazi ukubhala ngithola into mangistudy shele toiling ngaba sengiphema nensango shaya ingqondo lezinto lezi zenza something shaya ingqondo bathi shaya ingqondo into lezi ama drugs shaya ingqondo zikhandiwe izinto lezi man made hey jola yeah mara could have been
yes you wish you could have listened to your father
yeah
I'm sure you could have been a cop by now constable
ngizoba into yokuhwethe blind mfethu awu DJ yethola mara isikela ngizoba ngisicedile isikela ngizonginawo matric yethola ngizonginawo matric bengeke ngibe yethola ya manje manje bengeke hayi yeah would have been yeah
sorry
too much mara manje sola kuncede manje ukuthi nje bathi indoda mfethu yawa mfethu bakithi bephinde iphakama ithi bangene namantu uzokutshela manje ukuthi indoda ingaba namhlanje kusasiphinde ivuke yabo so ayiki kubeka ithemba vele uzokhalela into zakudala hayi ngintwana manje milikhulu.
What do you make of these kids who are in high school who are currently ngathi abo clever ngathi abo macala so babhema intsango so what do you make of them
kanjani
like what do you think mawubabona nje
manje
yeah
izikhawathekile factor apha ama chance amanye akhawathekile ama chance bakhawathekile factor bakhawathekile sure ziyekhanya izinto lezi sibalimazile strong yakhawathekile ama chance futhi ngithi angaze abantu yayethola iding ngoba uthi ngifike la ngikhona la kwenze ngifike la kuwe Vandag ngiyi-1 Zwidi one man scabo Zwidi beba khona bobhuka yazi kubhluka nje nokubukela abangani bakho bayeSpanini unohleli wena yazi kubhluka nje ukudependa ku 350 Siya riding. Unopho ngiphila nawe every day. Ngitshela ukuthi hayi. Uyazi angispan sisonke. Ngi-driver's license naye. Ngifaka abanye abantu abakho ngisibhema sonke every day. Lokhu angithimisa ngilibamba ibhali.
Yeah, reason why I'm asking you that question is that khona abanye abazali babheke like podcast like and they have kids.
Yeah, becala.
You know,
yeah.
They are going to high school bayabhema bacabanga ukuthi bona clever.
Buspan.
And ngiyafuna ukuthi labazali laba babonisa abantwana babo laba bokusogolisa this episode babone ngawe. So that they can learn from you, because these kids, trust me, my brother, like basesikolweni bacabanga ukuthi bangcono. Bacabanga ukuthi babo clever.
Clever ke ngizabhamba into nje.
Babhemiwa.
Mavakato.
Bahamba so and all that.
Yeah, trading, yeah.
Bona babhema intsango ngebreak.
Ngitshela into lezi ngidama owenza two vasegel right here. Find me. Get quantums 8 halo ngimisa ke trajol.
So yeah.
No chele ile magvat ile vunet ile bakhamri fakire khute ke di khute ga bakadi va last azijoli azinzi next ngizicabanga nje ijele nje inomboro etshaye ngithi eish and this fast ke yeah siphakemisa amagenge yeah tshwele ngithi
clever bakhuluma ngabo nabo teacher the way they like and
asagebe bezixoshiwe ekolweni asakhilezi
akunampilo
mawuphume kasilami ngo8 o'clock sekhona into lezi akuna etshayeling Zithi hayi uclever clever patali ka nama ngitshela ukuthi uclever patali tsalo yejele uyaphola nanazi izinto zithoze ngifuni mento lezo manje zona lethu tsalo yejele uzophola bake ngivaka yeah once nje waqala nje ukubhola once nje futhi once waqala nje ndleke waqala ukubhema nje kahle kahle wathi useduze nayo inkinto yeah useduze nayo inkinto Nje uthi awukike isigelene zithi hayi ugijima ukuthi bafuna mama uyadla bafuna ushaya ini yazi kasi nje ukuthi yona yeah bafuna ushaya iboyela emaking yeah mama college ini ethola iding yeah mina ngithi bazange bangise college bathi no wahlula high school wena uzenzani college college abakuningi phela college bangizola bathi abakuningi yeah wathi no wahlula ke nje ukuthi mina bilingana imali athi hayi ngithi yazi into ebuhlungu yazini ne abazali abazali bami bofuna ukwazi ukuthi nje kulifa umuntu onjani uzabona uzokutshela ukuthi umuntu onjani yazi akho mina ngihlane addict endlini kune addict efamily yakini enye into kawo hlane addict endlini addict sihlezi sinesama excuse. Yeah, we've got an excuse for everything. That's all. And into the way into a game lane and to recover. Stay away from bad friends, old places. When's in food to tenders. Yeah, plan abantu yethu yeah if I was yenzi lezo awuna manga uyadlala shasha uzobhema uzobuye uzorelax relapse ave swenzani uzoba worse than before angibule replace isikali sakhe ongabhema ngithi yami likhabe isikole leso uzoba worse and lapho khona kuyanyiwa ke thuluse emgodini
as I was saying that lempilo le akunampilo
ayikho
I think this thing happened probably 15 to 20 years ago mangibuyele ekhaya ju babheka labo abomaqala abanye bafile
yebamba lighting
yabona babulale intsango abanye maybe mob justice bamthola
lighting
something bamshaya bambulala
emoshebheka into yakhona ne why ukuthi ne siphuma mina inhleke yathi ukhulume ngami ukuthi ngiphume ejakini ehluphekayo vele basabe ngiba disappointile plan njengoba ningitshona leading ne isikhathi ukuthi ngiba prove right ngibajabulise manje ngifuna ukujabulisa ithama lami kakhulu yetsho intona yami ngisemhlala nayo kithi mama umntwana ungishiyile yetsho
sorry baba
and it is a good thing. I take it as a blessing manje I take it as a blessing ngoba nayi somehow unesandla kuyethola leading. Yeah. Yeah, it's a blessing. Manje ngifuna ukujabulisa abazali bami nentona yami. Yayithola. Ngoba ngihlala nayo, ngihlala kithi. Yimi naye. Mama yakho uhlala ngabo boyfriend yakhe entsha. Yeah, leyajola liya ngishela yona. Yayithola. Ngihlala ngibona maybe ayangazi. Yeah, angazi. Once in a month or yayithola lelingi yeah. Yeah.
You know, I've picked up something about people bakubheminsango and Crystal.
Abensango ba right, abensango ba right insango right insango.
But still bafangithi bacabanga ukuthi abo clever.
Angijabana la wena.
Because bafo it's ngikhulume something. You mentioned something ukuthi mawuceda ukubheminsango you sort of graduated to Crystal. After Crystal you graduated to Nyaope.
Bheka. After insango ngigraduate kuNdanda iPilisi. Bottle Cop. From Bottle Cop to Cat. Nana singiyekile indanda manje hayi ama Phil Pop man etshoyelini. Yeah, sengishaye Cat manje. iCat ngihlisa ngani, ngidawuna ngani, ngipi. Yayithola. Akuya konke kumnandi ngento ngisayenza bathi ne it's nice when you still it's not eating igama leni. Yabona musine control over it. Ayikho mnandi. Usine kumase ikwazi ucontrol ayikho mnandi. Ezimnandi va. La ngana control over it. Yayila sithatha khona ngele imnandi khona lapho nikubambile ke ya. Edraki ke ile imnandi khona. La sine control over yona ayikho mnandi. Ngibamba la songaphakathi deep ke. Yeah, lapho ke yabona na sure. Awunamanga. Amaplate yaplakala so amaplate abenga. Abenga, awuna appetite. Oza ne KFC chicken ikina ukubhukela ga. Say. Yeah, shape ya ukhulu. Yeah, ungizogala maybe nawe. Yeah, maka paper na amaplate. Yeah. Paper na amaplate. Yeah.
You know, I always say that time will expose your thoughts.
Yeah.
Time will expose your actions.
Yeah.
And this is what I was saying, Uguti. Ama drugs, they make you to think kona manje.
Yeah, manje,
Kabanga manje. You think long term.
For ishaka sangaya phambili long term, kabanga no. Actually, within the next 2 months or next week yeah. Kabanga no manje ithi mfitsi ayenza into le yasayenza. Yeah. Utshela ukuthi awuyaphambili, awuyiphambili. Utshela ukuthi awusiphethe. Zukenza don't clever ka. Utshela ukuthi clever, uzibona uyigangster. Yeah, especially kaSlami yena asungise afuya. Uzibona uclever ka. Uzibona uclever ka. Yathola yini? Uzibona uclever ka. Isikhathi ezenzani? Endlini bashiya bakhala. Uyojabulisa usinemani. Yenza sense angazi ifika ngithola na. Yeah. Ungayenza wena leyo wena. Ngini bashiya ukhala bakhala. Uyojabulisa usinemani. Noma kuthiwa ukuthi asipana unamanga. We go through all the same.
Yeah.
BS. Sonke ukuthi asipana nje nje usikava kangani? Uyasipana kanjani? Other than that hayi sihamba into one sonke. Yeah, same problems. Bengibiza ngani? Bengibiza ihomewrecker. Yasithupa malapha. Ya emotion egama. Yakustain she ending. Yakuchange umuntu. Bengekho kanje mina. Kabona manje ne mongibhekile ubona ini mongangazi. Ibawone ngibona ini mongangazi.
Ngibona ubhuti.
Hayi. Abantu ababona mina babona isigebengu.
Hayi bafu. Mina ngibona ubhuti right manje. And this is good news to you ukuthi uchangile.
Yethola. Abanye abakholwa. Soloko yonke since angazi ngisebenza nyamangela ama job nyana lawa ethola lelingi. Yama ukuthi manje ngiba nemali manje ngena ku account manje abona hayi. Ngikhola 350 mina. Yeah. Ngimsebenza nyama jobs nyana lawa ethola lelingi. Yeah. Ngamanje mfethu bangithina ngikuzalana ne. Ama ubayo yangidlela so. Angabe babona ukuthi isigebengu kanjani.
Bayasa. Maybe you need to change your style. Yabona. I don't know. Kogi hemp or something. Yabona. Ngama kikembobo yabona. Cheese. Ube umuntu a different person. Yeah.
Amakhikhe Mpobozi.
Yeah, umakhikhe mbobozi ongagcoki ama-skin jean yabo ngama-t-shirt. Gcoke i-shirt leli-right you know, black or white. Gcoka wona.
Hey Jola.
Yeah.
Akhona Jola. Makabheka uvasi la ukuthi sobe utshetshelwa kumama ibiye Jola mama bushone sibanibani noma sisuntwini Jola. Yeah. Makavele mina ngisona mina Jola hayi mina ngithanda vele wona hayi. Ngithanda ukugqoka ngithanda izinto. Yeah. Impahla futhi ke naye. Azibeshi singasabhimi ngithi hayi ngiyekile impilo lena hayi. Ngithanda isidwadlo mfethu. Angeke bheke isikhothana ngithi.
Yeah.
Ngithanda isidwadlo. Ngithanda isidwadlo. Natural. Just nje yabona ukuthi yeah. Ngasesethi bathi hayi ngizokubonisa ithombe la efonini yami bathi hayi zama didi ngiso. Plus wena uthola ngithi uvele ufuna ukushare story sami vele isipana upleva ukubhadala igama. Kubhadala la kuma TV. Yabona la kubhadala khona ke. Plus ngiyesa ngina matric. Ngathi kunzima for wena no matric ukuthola isipana. Mina lo ngana matric kunjani ke? Yangazi uyangithola? Yeah. One matric kunzima ukuthola isipana. Lo ngana matric go west.
Awungitshele la your kidnappers obviously they're from the same township. Have you bumped into them at
Inleyo? Ngicona kudala hayi. Makelo khona yena. Khona yena. Ngixolele. Nambe ngirong na. Yeah. Kuba ngizanga phela kusima phela kusifele ungiphile ungibonile maka phela kusuke ungisukele la ekethola. Ungibonile naye thola masama ngiblame mina. Ngithola. Ngiblame mina. Ngibanga mina myself. Angangithathana uplef senza kubuka. Phela mfethu uzungipotla kumagcwele mfethu ngekontani mfethu. Ngekontani ayipoza igazi. Kwani ngoma bese ngicela sidaka aze kamnandi ungasebenzi. Ngabe ngiyasebenza. Ngabe ngiyolala. Yazi ngoma le. Yeah, ngithanda blind ngoma le. Yazi ngibasiza izinto ezisipanayo ngale ngoma le. Yatsho maka alele ndedai. It's not worth it.
Yeah.
It's not worth it.
I'm sure your parents are very proud of you.
Manje ngina 1 month ngithuna didi ngathi ngina 1 month. Ngale last month ngi25 saka November. Ngi25 ngitshela enye impintshi intwana yami. uGodfrey Band ngathi ngumkhipha ubra wami angiblackile man. uGodfrey Band man. Godfrey malindisela. Hamba ngigama ngifree. Yeah. Ngiblackile intwana leya. Athi difference so. Amoshaya professional photo shoot. Ijange phone lights camera action computer ithola yini. Ngithi ithi ngithi I feel ke. 2 months back bengacabanga ukuthi mina ngizoba bengacabanga. Sengigive up impilo ngithi 4 kai. Sizovele ke ngidepend uthema lami once ngwela ngibhekela file ithola yini. Yeah, ngosami ayisupporta ibhatheli crash. Ithola yini. Makaladi ngishaya yini nami mfethu ngibe nokwami yazi kumnandi kanjani mfethu ya. Yazi ubuhlungu nje njalo uyacela siye riding ka. Nokubamba ngapha.
Yeah.
Ayikho. Etshoda. So manje yena mfethu angitani mfethu ayi uhleva abukhafa. Bukhafa la. Hleva umsebenzi ethola ending ya. Uma ubona kude etshoda. Hayi yonke into mfethu ivela so.
Yeah. How old are you?
I'm 27.
27.
Yeah.
You have 1 child.
Yeah, 1 child.
uNkulunkulu akuthanda bafu.
Ngitshela umuntu umfundisi athi kimi limlifere. Uzame zonke. Yeah. Ijela lokufuni.
Yeah.
Nonkulunkulu akakufuni, usuthana akakufuni.
Ayikho lento ukuthi uNkulunkulu akakufuni.
Ngithi akakufuni ezulwini.
Uyakufuna. uNkulunkulu uyakuthanda bafu. You could have died.
Echol.
Those guys, they could have killed you.
They're capable of that, right?
Number 2, you could have went to jail. You could have been in jail by now. The fact that you are here with me, it's by grace. It's mercy. You could have been somewhere else. You could have died, bruh.
Bethatha serious nje ukudla kwawo.
Yeah.
Ukudla bethatha serious. Yonke into abanayo nje isijardiding.
Yeah. But mina ngifuna ukuba honest now. The fact that you are here with me and you are sharing this testimony, it's big news. Khona abantu baningi who are currently bathengisa insango, whatever that they are selling. khona abantu baningi, some of them maybe they kidnap them because of their selling drugs. Bakolota abo Sneeman. Uyabona lento. The fact that lo mjida lo kuyekelile, it means a lot. So I'm saying that ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyakuthanda ngempilo yakho. Not because of our sebenzi or whatever. Yeah, I understand asifuna imali, but njengempilo yakho nje. Mina ngiyambonga uNkulunkulu. You are such you are such an inspiration, my brother. You have the power ukuthi uzokhuluma laba abomaqala laba base high school laba ubatshela ukuthi yendoda akhona akunampilo.
Sesibolile lesi sesasikakhulu manje lona lesi.
As long as ubatshela because
phakami lezo isirayisi kuprimary yabona ukuthi ethola lesi sizimoshakele lezi man makaya ngiyakuzwa
bafu yazi ngifuna ukwenza ukuthi understand something. If we are losing labafana laba basesikolweni,
isasayini ngusizithu kusasalithu banjani isasalethu if the next generation
100%. Tomorrow makusuka umuntu Mozambique, kusuka umuntu eAngola, kusuka umuntu eNigeria azala azothatha le position yalomfana lo bhema insango esikolweni, who's supposed to be at school. Look now, you are supposed to take a position in the police force.
That's the family yami abogada.
Ngiyayibona lento.
Abogada ama-lawyer, ama-advocate. Yeah, you like about teacher, maka sesikhatini. Yeah.
So the drugs, they delayed or stole your destiny.
Yeah.
Ngiyayibona lento. So I think you have the power ukuthi ungakhuluma labafana labo, because I don't have the power to do that because I've never been in your situation. But for you, usebenzeni about abomaqala, abo Sneemani, you've sold crystal, you've smoked crystal, so you have the power ukuthi ukhulume nalabafana labo. You have the power. And ngiyacaba dade ukuthi umuntu mabheka insango or maybe abhemi crystal ucabanga ukuthi ungcono. Clever.
Angeke hlala right.
Bona ngeke umtshele. I know, but that's what I was saying ukuthi umuntu mabhema dade ucabangela manje. Akacabangela ukusasa lakhe. Lento lezokhawada
fali ingqondo kawo mfethu into lena that's what bathi in iBhayibheli it's yazama email and drugs is devil's revenge upon God's servants. Sathana washo uNkulunkulu bamqosha ezulwini bathi wena athi uye wena ngizokuthola wena amthola ngani ngabantwana bakhe which is in drug ayithola andila motela ke ngatomotela ngamoshakala emhlabeni ngamoshakala kawo kamoshakala like akusana future like after thina nje na thina like thina ngizalwe 1998 fail maka after thina la sazoyinywa if I stop wena ngiyebeza bathi hayi we stopping poverty, we killing what, we killing insects eceda hayi lokhu yaqhubeka lokhu iba wesi kawo lokhu iba wesi ayilungi didi
ngiyacaba i-disc uyayibheka nyana sometimes.
As ngibukela indisc ngibukela ngifeyela Orlando Pirates. Yeah. Ngibukela like DT sasinabo konjibani. Abo JD Pichele, Roy Mahamutsa, Slim Kati,
abo Junior Khanya,
Kaizer Chiefs. Ngibukela phakathi nesizini series yakhe nesizini yakhe. Yeah, la in playing with yakhe. Yeah, le.
Yasazi story sakhe.
Ngesicaba.
Ngisebenza naye.
Yeah, ibukile ke le ya.
Yeah, ngisebenza naye. Ngiyamazi, ngamfonela manje. Ngisebenza naye. So ngifuna ukutshela something. uJunior bayafika la too much. And he lost
everything. Ngibona istory sakhe ngibukele lisebenza ku161. Ngibukele. Yeah.
One day maybe I'll call you so that you get to meet him. uJunior Khanya was given a second chance.
Enimpeke no.
Khona manje unemoto I'm sure 4.
Yeah, iMini Cooper, iQuantum. Ngicina lezi ngizibona kula show yakhe.
Yeah.
Mini Cooper neQuantum. Agishimisana nive ngalo brandile Super Sport khona abambiza khona ku Super Sport actually.
100%. So I've seen the guy without having anything. Anganalutho.
Before azovuka or after.
before.
Or before. Mazi before you
Mazi after, before and after. So that's why I'm saying that God loves you. And God has given you a chance, a second chance. Ujunior Kanya manje akafiki la.
Umfana kalikhanyana shaya ikepisi.
So that's what I'm saying ukuthi uNkulunkulu akuthanda bafu. God is trying to tell you that I'm trying to give you a second chance. So this second chance bafu, don't mess it up.
Angeke.
Don't mess it up.
Ngibamba so, ngizange zithu. Ngibamba so. Ngingiyeke lento ngoba ukuyeka uzojabula izitha. Angisho ukuthi basha overtime labantu laba. Ngitshela wena ngitshela uthi bengiyeli athi engilethile le. Ngithi ngithe basha overtime labantu laba. Yeah. Bethu ngibize ngamagama ka. Bengu-Emmanuel ka. Wathi angeka indawo. Yeah. Lo uzobona lo. Uzobabonisa abazali bakhe. Ngibangibize ngivithe yonke into. Ngizobe ngibuza ukuthi ngibhekile ubobona ini. Wathi angeka indawo lo. Ngeke. Now recently a week ago I was assaulted. Abafana baseKastlang babuze owns for VAT yini. Angibacela next. Yibo bacela mina. Ma 5 rand ama ngicela bayintana seKastlang. Yabo. Ngizizwe lesikhuluma ngokuthi ayiliza bohleve. Yeah. No leaders. Ayethi ukuthi ngenze restraining order over the case. Khona ngizokwazi ukwenza into zami.
Thank you.
Yeah,
thank you for your life. Thank you for being brave. Thank you, man. Thank you for being available. And I hope that, and I know for a fact that you're not going to go back. So keep on holding strong. This is a second chance. Go back at it. Correct where you can correct. I know that certain things, they may never change, but you have the power to make
change the future.
Thank you.
I can't change the past. Yeah. I just have to accept it. Papa namranza papa. Patrick Makhahle lankwasho. Yeah. Yeah, tsotsiliana mfethu ayifenami la tsotsiliana.
Yeah.
Ayifenami ka disappointed too much.
Yeah.
Too much. Feel more leader, feeling kulungu mama speak each yeah. Feel manga time la man fit that is bambile mfethu mina tho.
Yeah.
Namanje ukufika lana ka. Uye mfethu uyungisupport.
Yeah.
Manje ukhayela ukuthi manje ethi eish athi awutekela transport man. Tekela transport. Eish my. Ustalunga mangabileli.
Na xikwembu xi katekisa buta mina.
Yeah.
Yeah, xi va na wena n'wana mani. Xi va na wena xikwembu. La u famba kona. U nga thelele ndzhaku.
Utela ndzhaku.
Yeah.
Ama setting ka wena. Siya phambili sweswo.
Sure.
Yeah.